Whether you're experiencing pain in your shoulders, lower back, hips, or anywhere else in your body, you must stop treating the symptoms. Things like heating pads, pain medication, expensive massage sessions, and even surgery are not the answer to your problem. Movement is. And in this video, I am not going to give you a quick fix. I am going to give you the 5 fundamental stretches that I use to eliminate pain in my own body. So let's start with the one that you've probably never done consistently. Number 1, the dead hang. This isn't a pull-up. This is your shoulder rehab. Every healthy human should be able to hang from a bar, but most adults lose this capacity completely by age 40. Dead hanging decompresses your spine, resets your shoulder mechanics, strengthens your grip, and reverses the hunched forward posture that creates chronic pain. If your shoulders feel tight, if you get neck pain, if your upper back is constantly tense, then this is where we start. The secret is you don't have to hang for minutes. You just need to hang daily. Let gravity teach your shoulders what they forgot. This is supposed to be a natural movement. This is not advanced training. Your ancestors hung from branches all the time, and you should be integrating this into your daily life. So whether you're at home with a doorway pull-up bar, at the gym, or even at a playground, you want to accumulate time hanging throughout your week. You don't have to hang perfectly. What you can do is use a box or bench to assist with your feet touching the ground, grip a lower bar, or hold for just 10 seconds at a time. Over time, as you build grip strength, as your shoulders adapt, and as the tension releases, this will become something you can do easily for 30 to 60 seconds. I would strongly suggest that you start with just 20 to 30 seconds total hanging time per day, and accumulate that time across multiple attempts until you get to a point where you're hanging for 2 to 3 minutes total throughout your day. Grip the bar with your hands just outside shoulder width. Let your entire body hang. Don't try to engage your shoulders or pull yourself up. Just hang there and breathe. Your shoulders should feel like they're being pulled down by gravity, creating space in the joint. This decompression is what reverses years of sitting and hunching forward. Most people live in internal rotation with their shoulders rounded forward from desk work and phone use. Hanging gives your shoulder blades a chance to retract properly and your thoracic spine space to extend. If you find it difficult to hang or if your grip gives out quickly, use chalk if available or wrap a towel around the bar for better grip. You can also keep your feet lightly touching a box below you for assistance. The point is that you need to decompress your spine, completely relax your shoulders, and allow everything to be pulled down by gravity. Accumulate time throughout the day until you reach 5 minutes total over the course of a week. Do this consistently for 30 days, and you're going to notice significant improvement in your shoulders, your neck tension, your posture, and your upper back pain. Number 2 is the QL side stretch. Now, this is the lower back relief that nobody teaches. The quadratius lumborum, or QL, is a muscle that runs along both sides of your lower spine. When it gets tight, it creates that nagging lower back pain that never seems to go away. Most people try to stretch their hamstrings or do back extensions, thinking that will help. Wrong. You need to directly stretch the QL. This muscle gets compressed from sitting, driving, and standing with your weight shifted to one side. It pulls your pelvis out of alignment and creates chronic lower back pain. The QL side stretch opens up your lateral spine, releases tension in your lower back, improves your breathing capacity, and fixes the asymmetries that cause one-sided back pain. If one side of your lower back always hurts more than the other, your QL is probably the problem. You're going to start gently because most people have never directly stretched this area. The first few times will feel intense, but that intensity is exactly what you need. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, reach your right arm straight up over your head. Now lean your entire upper body to the left, reaching your right arm up and over like you're trying to touch the wall to your left. You should feel a deep stretch along the entire right side of your torso from your hip all the way up to your armpit. Don't twist or rotate. This is pure side bending. Hold this position for 30 to 45 seconds, breathing deeply into the stretch, then switch sides. The key is letting gravity do the work. Don't force the stretch, just lean over and breathe. Each exhale allows you to sink slightly deeper. You can also grab onto a door frame with your raised arm and lean away from it for a deeper stretch. Or you can lie on your side and reach your top arm overhead while someone gently pulls your arm to increase the stretch. Do this stretch twice per day, morning and evening. After just 1 week, that chronic lower back tightness you've been dealing with will significantly decrease. Your range of motion when bending to the side will improve dramatically, and that nagging ache that's always there will start to fade. This is one of the most underrated stretches for lower back pain relief. Number 3 is the kneeling thoracic extension. Now, you were probably never taught that your upper back needs to extend, and that's why your lower back hurts. The kneeling thoracic extension isn't just a stretch, it's necessary. This movement trains your thoracic spine to extend properly, and it teaches your body to stop compensating with your lower back. Most back pain isn't from your lower back being weak. It's from your upper back being stiff and immobile forcing your lower back to move too much. Your thoracic spine is designed to extend, flex, and rotate, but modern life locks it into flexion from hours of sitting hunched over. When your thoracic spine can't extend, your lower back has to hyperextend to compensate. This creates excessive stress on your lumbar discs and facet joints. The kneeling thoracic extension reverses this pattern. Kneel on the ground with your knees hip-width apart. Place your elbows on a bench, chair, or couch seat in front of you. Your elbows should be slightly wider than shoulder width. Now sink your chest down toward the ground while keeping your hips directly over your knees. Let your upper back arch as your chest drops. You should feel a stretch through your lats, your upper back, and your chest. Hold this position for 45 to 60 seconds. Breathing deeply. The magic happens when you actively push your chest toward the ground on each exhale. Don't just hold the position passively. Actively try to extend your thoracic spine more with each breath. Your lower back should stay relatively neutral. All the movement comes from your upper back. This is crucial. If you feel this stretch primarily in your lower back, you're doing it wrong. Move your elbows wider or closer together until you feel it in your upper back and lats. Do this stretch daily, ideally before bed. You can also do it as part of your warm-up before any workout. Over time, as your thoracic mobility improves, you'll notice your lower back pain decreasing significantly. Your posture will improve. You'll breathe easier, and movements like reaching overhead will feel smooth instead of restricted. Most shoulder issues stem from poor thoracic mobility, so this stretch fixes multiple problems at once. Now, before I show you the final 2 stretches, let me address something important. If you're dealing with chronic aches and pains, stiff joints, or you feel like your body just doesn't move the way it used to, you're not alone. Most people think they're stuck with these problems forever. But what if there was a simple, step-by-step system that could help you move pain-free again? I created Reboot Your Body specifically for people over 40 struggling with these exact issues. It's a 30-day program designed to restore the movement and strength you've lost, so you can play with your kids or grandkids, get through your day without constant aching, and feel confident in your body again. Imagine waking up without that stiff back, bending down without fear, and moving through life the way you're supposed to. The link is in the description below if you want to check it out. Number 4 is the calf wall pump. Now, the calves and ankles are the foundation that nobody stretches. When your ankles are stiff and your calves are tight, everything above them compensates. Your knees hurt because they can't absorb shock properly. Your hips hurt because they have to compensate for limited ankle mobility. Your lower back hurts because your entire movement pattern is thrown off. The calf wall pump fixes all of this by restoring ankle mobility and calf flexibility that most people lose completely. This isn't passive stretching where you just hold a position. This is active pumping that teaches your ankle to move through its full range while your calf lengthens. Static stretching only does so much. Active stretching with movement creates lasting mobility improvements. Face a wall and place your hands on it at shoulder height. Step your right foot back about 2 to 3 feet. Keep your back heel on the ground. Now bend your front knee and drive it forward toward the wall. Your back leg should stay straight with your heel firmly planted on the ground. Here's the key. Don't just lean in once and hold. Pump in and out rhythmically. Drive your front knee forward over your toes for 2 seconds, then release back to neutral for 1 second. Repeat this pumping motion 15 to 20 times. You should feel your back calf stretching with each forward pump, especially in your soleus muscle deep in your calf. After 15 to 20 pumps, bend your back knee slightly and repeat the pumping motion. This shifts the stretch higher up into your gastrocnemius muscle. Do 15 to 20 pumps with your back knee straight, then 15 to 20 pumps with your back knee bent. Switch legs and repeat. This takes about 3 minutes total and creates more ankle mobility improvement than 10 minutes of static stretching. Your ankles will feel looser immediately. Over weeks of daily practice, your squat depth will improve dramatically. Your knees will feel better going up and down stairs, and that constant calf tightness will disappear. Tight calves are also a major contributor to plantar fasciitis and Achilles problems. By keeping your calves mobile and strong through their full range, you prevent these common issues. Do this stretch every morning before you start your day and every evening before bed. Make it as automatic as brushing your teeth. Number 5 is the wrist and forearm rock. And this is the pain relief for the digital age. Your wrists, forearms, and elbows take incredible abuse from computer work, phone use, and any repetitive hand activity. This creates carpal tunnel symptoms, tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, and chronic wrist pain. Most people try wrist stretches that barely touch the problem. The wrist and forearm rock addresses the entire kinetic chain from your fingers all the way up to your elbow. Get down on your hands and knees, turn your fingers so they point back toward your knees instead of forward. Your palms should be flat on the ground with your fingers pointing backward. This already creates a stretch in your wrists and forearms. Now gently rock your body weight backward toward your heels. As you rock back, you increase the stretch in your wrists and forearms. Rock forward to decrease it. Pump back and forth slowly and rhythmically. Do 15 to 20 gentle rocks with your fingers pointing backward. You should feel an intense stretch through your wrists, forearms, and even up into your biceps. This stretches all the flexor muscles that get tight from gripping and typing. After 20 rocks, turn your hands so your fingers point outward to the sides. Rock back and forth 15 to 20 times. This stretches different angles. Then flip your hands over so the backs of your hands are on the ground with your fingers pointing toward your body. Rock backward 10 to 15 times. This stretches your wrist extensors, which are usually weak and tight. This position is more intense, so go easy at first. Over time, you'll be able to rock back farther and hold positions longer. Finish by making circles with your wrists while on your hands and knees. 5 circles clockwise, 5 circles counterclockwise with each wrist. This full wrist mobility sequence takes just 5 minutes, but eliminates wrist and forearm pain that's been building for years. Do this every day, especially if you work on a computer or use your phone extensively. Your wrists and forearms will feel dramatically better within 1 week. So you see, you don't need 30 different stretches. You need 5 fundamental movements done with consistency, intention, and progression. These 5 stretches are not optional, they are essential. When you lose mobility in these areas, your body starts to hurt. When you reclaim that mobility, your pain often disappears completely. And it's not magic, it's not expensive therapy, it's movement, but movement that is done right and done consistently. You're gonna do these 5 stretches daily for the rest of your life. I promise you, no matter how you're feeling in your body right now, whether you feel broken, injured, whether you feel like you're too old, or whether you feel like you don't have time, I have seen it all. I have helped people from all walks of life eliminate chronic pain. Simple stretches work, but you have to do them consistently. You have to put in that 15 to 20 minutes per day. You need to make mobility a part of your everyday life. And these 5 stretches are so simple to do. You don't need a lot of equipment, a pull-up bar for hanging, a wall for the calf pump, the floor for your wrist rocks and thoracic extensions. That's it. You don't need a gym membership. You can do everything right from your home. I have students who are in their 60s and 70s who are complete beginners who have come from chronic pain conditions and years of unsuccessful treatment. All of them are fixing their bodies through these fundamental stretches. If you want to improve your quality of life, not just now, but for decades to come, start doing these daily. Create a simple routine. Every morning, do your dead hang for 30 seconds total, your QL side stretch for 30 seconds per side, and your calf wall pump for 3 minutes. Every evening, do your kneeling thoracic extension for 60 seconds and your wrist and forearm rocks for 5 minutes. That's it. Less than 15 minutes total per day, split between morning and evening. Track your progress by how you feel. Can you reach overhead without shoulder pain? Can you bend to tie your shoes without lower back pain? Can you type for hours without wrist pain? These daily activities become pain-free when you maintain these 5 stretches consistently. Like this video if these stretches made something click. Comment below which area of pain you're going to target first. And subscribe if you're done with living in chronic pain and ready to move like your body was designed to move.